Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Starting today's adventure down here in Elche Park. Let's see what's happening.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Hey guys, it will help if I start the film before I start talking. So, just across the road, the South Toki Cafe. Next door is Heartwarming, Cafeteria, Pastry, and of course, finally open once again, Hotel H10 Porto Poniente. Getting recognised again there, guys. Got the lottery guy out today. Something that is very popular here in Spain, Spanish lottery, especially over Christmas time. So, Poniente Beach behind us, if the gimbal's gonna come on. There, Poniente Beach. One of my most favourite beaches here in Benidorm, actually. Just seems a lot calmer, a lot more relaxed. Gonna head on through Elche Park. Now, within the next couple of weeks, Benidorm will be paying host to the Fallas at the burning of the Ninots. So, there is a lot of preparations still need to be done, but some already starting. Show you the statue there, guys. Looks awesome. Zip line as well for the little kids. And of course, one of two main attractions of Elche Park is the brilliant outdoor gym. You can exercise while looking at this view of Poniente Beach. And of course we do have either the Benidorm just in the distance. Boat trips are now running to their events again, guys. They did have a bit of a short break due to bad weather, but they are now up and running once again. Of course, tons of different sort of machines at the gym. The sundial as well. Not sure if that's got the time right or what. Let us know what you think down below, guys. Possibly has. And the most commonly seen thing in Benidorm, public toilets. Not the cleanest, but And finally, the little huts coming down for the Fallas will be opening soon. Some earlier than others. I think some of them will come down as early as possible just to get a bit of business. Bit crazy, but I don't really blame them, to be honest. And well, these are the huts, just little tiny things. So I mean, I am surprised how people do manage to sell stuff in them. But I mean, as you can see, some are semi bigger than others, whereas some are quite small, and they're ranging goods from clothing to arts and crafts gear to Spanish sweets and food to graters for carrots. Yeah, that's what I was thinking of. And I mean, you can get some good stuff down here. I'm not sure if Skeeter Sue's showed you guys her poncho that we bought for Christmas for her. Big sort of American style poncho. We bought that down here. So just some of the things you can buy off these sort of huts. Of course, we do have the living statue out once again. God, it must take some incredible talent to sit there for ages just not moving. I'll probably give up after like 2 minutes. I guess that's just the difference between people though, guys. Some people would probably have more patience, whereas me, I just like to keep active. I like to be doing stuff. I like to sort of just keep myself entertained, no matter how stupid the thing that entertains me is. There's the open store, jewelry and clothing. The choir on the beach as well, once again. And well, that's the other thing about Spain. There's a lot of stuff for the elderly to do. Like, it is a lot more inclusive. As I said, the choir on the beach, they even do exercising on the beach, and I mean, groups of friends, they always meet up, go for a drink somewhere, tappers maybe, and I mean, it does seem fun. Numerous times we sit in the apartment and we're hearing singing, and of course, the main attraction of Elche Park, the doves. They are friendly guys, so they'll sit on you if you have food, birdseed, bread, baguettes, crisps, anything. And of course, the fountain and their new home, the tree. Yeah, they also like chestnuts as well. Creates got a good picture opportunity, got a good sort of souvenir to remember your holiday. Anyway guys, smash that like, smash the subscribe. Remember the buy me a coffee link is down below guys, if you want to support the channel. See you in the next one.